Currently, YouTube views are drastically dropping, especially for small creators. Have you noticed that? If your videos are getting little to no views, you are not alone. Look, you are not alone. I have been there. Even as I'm talking to you, I'm still in that position whereby I post my video with all hope in my mind. And when I wake up to zero views. This video is about the real reason your content or your YouTube videos isn't growing or is not getting views, and how to fix it immediately before your channel is gone. Keep watching with me because the last point alone changed my entire YouTube strategy. It changed the way I upload videos on my YouTube channel, my other channel, and the way I'm also going to upload on this channel. And it's only work for anyone, even if you are starting from scratch, even if you are starting with zero subscriber. This particular strategy is going to work for you. So stay to the very end of this video. The very first point on my list is YouTube is changing its platform. Yes, YouTube is not the same platform it used to be. Like, it's not the same platform we used to know. Like, we can post any video, title our video anyhow, and it will blow up. Now, in this year, like few months ago, the algorithm is now focused on just one thing. And that very one thing is what we call the watch time plus the retention. Now, it doesn't care about how beautiful your video is, how addicting, how the quality of your video is. But the thing is that if people don't stay and watch your video is hidden. Like, YouTube will hide your video to the extent that it will not be on their list. So what are you going to do? Start with value immediately. Start delivering what you know that your video has. Start giving it to your audience so that when they tap on your video, they'll be getting the value. Okay, now for example, now instead of saying hi, welcome back to my channel, say something like this. This setting right here is the reason you are not getting views. Boom, trust me, if you start implementing the value immediately, you are going to lock the attention of your viewers. Now, the second thing that is making your video not to grow and get views is your video intro is not hookable. Let me tell you the honest truth. If no one can tell you, I'm telling you this very truth. Most small creators I've seen on this platform start their video wrongly. Like, if in their first 15 seconds, of their video are always boring. And if people click on your video and the first 15 seconds of your intro are boring, they are going to scroll past your video. They're gonna forget it. Now, let me give you an instance. I once started a video before on my other channel with, hey guys, so today when I'm going to be talking about this blah 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 this. And guys, now when I went to check my channel, my average view duration, hey, 12 seconds. Like, 12 seconds is where they stop. But when I started implementing, getting ideas, watching several videos, getting ideas and started implementing, by the time I finished getting the ideas, knowing how to hook your intro, watching big YouTubers video, I started amending my intro. And my intro, when I start my video, I'll start with something like, this one mistake is killing your views, and it's making my viewers to stay over 2 minutes of my video. Now, if your intro is bad, this is how you are going to fix it. Start every of your video with a pain point or a promise value. Just promise them what they are going to see on that immediately. Make them feel like you are solving their problem, so that when they click, they will be like, oh, this is the video I want to click today. This person is giving me what I want. When you keep them hooked, you keep it tight, direct, and curiosity driven. Like, you make it just once you try this, go and try this on your next video and come back to me with a good result. Okay, this particular strategy is going to blow your channel. The next reason you are not getting views, the way you structure your video. Yes, that is another reason you are not getting views. Your video has no structure. If your video has no structure, if your video has no direction, What is the essence of them clicking on the video? So if you are just talking randomly without any plan, like without any plan or any target, people are going to leave. And when they leave, you might even be lucky to get 1,000 views, but they are not watching long. So what actually worked in this year 2025 and what is still working right now? Hook your audience in the first 5 seconds. Introduce them of your video. Yes, like you watch this very video, you get glued, right? Deliver them step by step tips or use a story depending on the way you are going to make your own words video, the way you are going to drive their attention to watch longer on your video. Now, if you are a small creators, this is exactly what you are going to do. Like I said, tell a story. This particular hook tips that I just gave to you works every time, like it works every single time. Okay, the fourth one, why you are not getting views and the reason why viewers are not even seeing on your video when it comes to their homepage is your thumbnail is not catchy. If your thumbnail doesn't scream, oh, click me, people no click me, please click me, your content gets buried. Like your content is going to be buried. Even if your video is amazing, because it's that thumbnail that will entice, that will make them to click and get to know what that video is all about. And luckily for them, they might find your video quality good and all of that. Yes, like even if your video is amazing or has the best iPhone, has the best quality, if you don't get any clicks, you won't have any views. So you need to make your thumbnail bold. You don't need to cluster the whole thumbnail text. Just use 3 to 5 words. Just maximize it in a way that it can be readable. For example, now if you are using a bad thumbnail like how I got views on YouTube. No. That one doesn't even work at all. Now, this is a very good thumbnail strategy you are going to use, and in a very big text to 0 views with your own with a shock face of yours. You can use a red arrow, like they will just make it very catchy. Like in the way, just ask yourself, if I'm the one, will I scroll on this my thumbnail? That is what you are going to ask yourself. Mind you that you are competing with thousands of people on this YouTube, so you need to stand out or you will be visible. That is it. Then the fifth one on my list here is you are not creating searchable content. Yes, if you are not creating searchable content that people actually want to watch and see and what they need, you are going to nobody is going to. Your channel is as good as is just dormant. So this is the number one fix that helped me to grow my channel. And if you are serious about growing on YouTube, you need to copy and pick this particular strategy. This is the number one fix that helped me grow. And if you want this particular strategy, let me know in the comment section. Okay, as a small YouTuber, forget about going viral and all of that. Focus on helping people searching for answers. Be their answers, be their solution. Ask yourself, what would someone type on YouTube if they had this problem? Am I capable of solving their problem? Am I capable of delivering them? Am I capable of putting a smile on their face? Instead of titling your videos, maybe my YouTube story, try something like how I got 1,000 subscribers in 5 days, small channel strategy. Now, if you title your video like with that title, anybody that scroll on YouTube will be like, let me watch her, let me click on this video, let me see how this person got 1,000 subscribers in just 5 days. Is it not this 1,000 subscriber that is everyone is finding difficult? Let me just click it, and you see that is a beautiful plus for you. And if you are looking for a tool to use, you can use TubeBuddy, you can use VidIQ, you can use ChatGPT to find low competition keywords. You don't need law, it's just you need your smartness, you need search strategy. That is it. That is only what will keep you stand out on this YouTube space. Okay, so it's not magic, it's method. And if I can break out of 0 views using this same strategy, you absolutely can do it. So thank you for watching, and this is where we are going to call it the end of today. See you in my next video. Bye.